Hi, my name is Nasma Alam and I am a cake artist. Through my brand Sweet Drops of Heaven, I've been lucky enough to collaborate with large businesses and been featured in many cake magazines. My appreciation for the beauty of florals is the main reason why I enjoy creating and painting sugar flowers. I view each cake as a piece of artwork and as a chance to build an edible and delicious sculpture. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create sugar flowers using gum paste and decorate cakes using beautiful arrangements. In the final project, you will create a bouquet of 3 different sugar flowers and assemble them onto your cake. To get started, I will show you all the materials that you will need and how to sketch out our design with a floral bouquet composition. Then we will decide on our sugar flower colours and mix the gum paste to match. Then we will analyse a classic sugar rose, an open peony and a David Austin rose. We will learn to simplify these 3 flowers and create them from bud to petal. We will bring our leaves to life and add realism to our sugar flowers. Then we will assemble our sugar leaves and sugar flowers onto a pre-covered cake. We will make some final tweaks and arrange them onto our cake. Finally, I will share some tips with you on how to show the world your work through Instagram. By the end of the course, you'll have all the techniques that you need to create beautiful sugar flowers in your own style. All you need is a range of cake decorating tools and ingredients, a cake, along with other materials you can find at home or easily online. This course is ideal for flower lovers who want to explore gum paste as a medium. Bring to life unique decorated cakes embellished with beautiful sugar flowers.